Hi everyone, welcome back to English Grammar. Today we are going to learn about question tags, structures, basic rules, examples and exercises. Dear friends, question tags are very useful when we want to talk with others. By using question tags, we can make our communication lengthy. We can get to know others' opinion and to get confirmation or agreement. Question tags are very useful in which our language would be very beautiful and flourished. These question tags which are very helpful for appearing for all types of competitive exams. So dear friends, let us see what is question tag. Before we discuss question tags, let us see what is a question. A question is an interrogative form that asks something to someone in order to get information in reply. We usually ask question when we want to know something about someone or something. A question always ends with a question mark. Dear friends, question it is classified into two types. First one is WH word questions and the second one is yes or no type questions. Dear friends, WH word questions usually begins with WH words like what, where, when, why, how. For example, what are you doing? Here the question begins with what. Here ends with question mark. What are you doing? Second one is yes or no type questions. Yes or no type questions usually begins with auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. What are helping verbs? Am, is, are, was, were, will, shall and other modal auxiliary verbs. Here, do you like music? Here begins with do, ends with question mark. Do means here auxiliary verb. Do you like music? Answer yes or no type. So this is yes or no type questions. Let us move on to another slide. Now let us see what is a question tag. Understand? Before that, let us see one example. The weather is hot. So how to frame a question tag? By using affirmative sentence. So here the weather is hot is an affirmative sentence. So here it is a positive statement. Then how can we make it as a question tag? Here the weather is hot, keep comma, then after that take auxiliary verb from the sentence is, then add short form of not and write the subject pronoun of the subject. Here the weather is it. So what's the question tag here? Isn't it? Right, what is a question tag? A question tag is a short question in which an affirmative sentence turn into a question by adding interrogative tag at the end of the statement. Here if you look at the above statement, we can observe that the normal sentence, the positive statement, it has been turned into a question by adding interrogative tag at the end of the statement. Here isn't it? Right, now let us see what are the basic rules when we are transforming from a statement to question tags. The very first one is here identify the tense, main verb and helping verb, and also here we have to get to know the differentiation between main verb and helping verb. And also dear friends, the same tense should be written, but while we are writing question tags we should not change the tense of the statement or sentence. The third rule is if the statement is positive, question tag will be negative. So now for example, we are friends. So what would be the question tag? Already I told you very clearly that here if the statement is positive, question tag will be negative. See here. So take auxiliary verb are from the statement. Then here you do not find any not. So here it is positive, statement is positive, question tag will be negative. So here we should add a short form of not, contract form of not, aren't. Here what's the pronoun, subject pronoun? We. Aren't we? Question mark. Next one. Here you can see the structure, helping verb plus short form of not plus subject pronoun plus question mark. This is the structure for negative question tag. Next one. If the statement is negative, then the question tag will be positive. For example, we are not friends. So what would be the question tag? Here we can find not. So here we need to remove not, take auxiliary verb, and after that take subject pronoun, keep question mark. So what would be the question tag here? Are we? Right, what would be the positive question tag structure? First of all, we should write helping verb, then subject pronoun, then question mark. Fifth rule, use proper contractions. Contractions are nothing but short form of not. Okay, now for example, here is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, have not, haven't, has not, hasn't, had not, hadn't, cannot, can't, couldn't, won't, will not, won't, would not, wouldn't, shall not, shan't, should not, shouldn't, must not, mustn't, do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't. So dear friends, you need to remember one thing here. So you should write the contract form of the word. Okay, na here. So these are all contract forms of the auxiliary verbs. Next one, if you do not find any auxiliary verb in the above sentence, then you need to find out, you have to find out whether it is present or past. If the sentence is present, you can find V1, then subject is singular, take does. If the verb is V1, subject is singular, then take does. Then if it is V1 plural, then take do. Right, next one. V2 for singular and plural, you can take did. Dear friends, you need to observe, if you are unable to get or find, identify any auxiliary verb in the statement, then you can find easily either V1 or V2. V1 singular, take does. V1 plural, take do. V2 singular or plural, then take did. So dear friends, let us see some more rules which are question tag always begins with a small letter. Use a comma between the statement and the question tag. Question tag always ends with a question mark. The subject of the question tag is always in a personal pronoun form like I, we, you, they, he, she, it. In the place of noun, we should write the proper subject pronouns in question tags. Right, for example, a positive statement can be turned into a negative question tag. Let us see one example. You are friends. What would be the question tag? Aren't you? Next one, a negative statement, then it has to be turned into a positive question tag. For example, you are not friends. What would be the question tag? Are you? Dear friends, once again you have to go through whatever the basic rules which I explained, discussed in the question tag slide. So dear friends, thank you for watching. So if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button, and please share it to your family members and friends. So thank you, have a nice day.